the whole thing was destination wedding. I always do bridal clothes. I do heavy Indian clothes, which are contemporary. Hello. And so I thought to make it interesting, the A was the color scheme because a lot of corals and pinks and sand and greys. And velvet is fabric that I love. Also in this collection there wasn't too much embroidery. There's more texture. So there's sequence work and there's a thread work is all mixed. So I want to give a lot of fabric, and also I do a lot of clothes for destination weddings. Like I just did a wedding in Portugal, and then there was this wedding in Greece. So there people tend to dress up a lot more sexier, a bit more of. So that's what I wanted. I wanted to present a wedding which is not in India. जब एक bridal collection है और एक glamorous collection है, and I love glamorous clothes. And अगर एक destination wedding है, so you need a couple who's contemporary and sexy and beautiful, and उससे better क्या हो सकता है? So I think they look so gorgeous together, and also they're very hip and they're very cool. They are the DQ couple, and so I thought you can't get better than them. So I just wanted Kareena and Saif to be a part of the show. If you notice, there was no extra. There was again house playing. They were wearing clothes which the others were wearing, which were cool, and I didn't dress up Kareena with too much happening. And so I think today is everybody's getting far more relaxed and not so self-conscious, and so I think it's time to chill out slightly. Actually the thing is, I'm just being true to my label, what it represents. It represents glamour. I do Indian clothes which are styled contemporarily. I don't do very traditional clothes, and of course they're traditional in the sense they're the saris, they're lehengas, they're sherwanis. But I like the shine, the translucency for women, and I like the texture for men. I like a man to look like a man, I like a woman to look like a woman. And so that's what the label is, and every time that I do a show, I want to represent what I stand for, which is glamour, which is opulent clothes. ऐसा एक couple हो जो लगे जो जब शादी करेंगे तो destination wedding होगी उनकी. And I think Saif and Kareena are trendy, glamorous as I said earlier, and beautiful, and they would have a lovely destination wedding.
Yeah, and I've never been to a fashion show before. I have no idea what to expect, what it is. It's actually my first
It's
time.
my first fashion show as well, so I'm excited. Well, Manish, is a friend, and Manish is also someone I work with, and whenever I need to look spectacular in my films and have a complete makeover, it's Manish I call and say, Manish, do something. So of course I have to be here for him, and there's no doubt that his collection will always be.
Yeah, Manish's shows are always exceptional. Clothes are great. So looking forward to another fun film.